Yo, you guys, check out my old bed frame that I made from these bed risers that I got for real cheap at Walmart. And these metal bars that I had laying around, and these wooden sticks that I had. And those were from like a clothes hanger when you open it up and you can put your clothes on it to hang dry. That's what this is. That was super cheap too, along with the bed risers. I had bought it, took it apart, and made it into this uh, bed frame, custom bed frame that was low. And the metal bars are in the outside to support some of the weight, vertical weight. And you see, they're also, they're glued on there, not with like hot glue. It was like a rubbery glue for flexibility. So when it moves around, it still doesn't come off. And I did the horizontal bars as the wooden bars, since I most of the time I'm gonna be laying down, vertical. The weight's gonna be on the wood, but I was more worried about the outside perimeter being broken, since I am gonna be sleeping vertically. The horizontal part needed to be strong. So let's say if you sit down, I was more worried about the vertical weight, which is why I have it like this. And they're all glued, and actually these wooden bars are directly connected to these through the bottom, so they're not gonna come up. And I have these 3D printed risers right underneath. See, they are loose. I did that intentionally, since if you're laying on there, you're moving around. There's foreplay. But I have made this on the spot because I didn't have that much time. I didn't have that much money, and I wanted a bed frame that night for cheap. I think all of this cost me like $32. And then this is the coolest part right here. Check this out. But now I got a different one now. This is the $32 one that I made him on the spot in one night. And it's still solid. It's still not, I had this for over a year, and it's still solid. It's still leveled.